Hello and welcome again. Do you remember my super trimmer video from a while ago? Well, I need to say that unfortunately it has to be retired. What happened is that I ran one time too much into some bushes. The commutator got too much current on this. It started to overheat and basically blowed out. So unfortunately the engine went up. No surprise, as I said before, if it will get broken, then I will it's not a big pity because you couldn't get any strings into this anymore. Anyway, decided that this idea was good enough to continue with this, and I built this one. This looks much more professional, much better, and how it runs is it is gonna run on a drill. Not exactly this one. I have another one. I built this one. This one has this is just this cover that you put on the wall when the pipes comes out, and this is just for preventing grass from winding itself around the shaft. And this is part of some old motor. Never mind, this is just the cover stuff. This is the working head, and it's basically two pieces of metal welded together, and the rest of it is exactly the same as in with the old idea. Now this square profile bar is cut from this one, and this one is the one that you put inside the doorknob. Hexagonal profile is part of this rod, which was before a part of this big silicon gun, but the silicon gun was broken anyway. I reused basically the parts to build this one. How it will work? It will work much slower, first of all, than this one, because this was never created for taking that sort of load. This is quite heavy in comparison to a piece of string, or relatively heavy. So it will work on much slower RPMs, and I never used that before, so you will see the first try of it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's the setup today. As you can see, it's a drill mounted on the same shaft as before, and as I meant before, the chuck in this drill is absolutely loose, and this is not a problem with bearings. It's entire thing is basically the cheap type of drill made in China, and it really serves really great. I mean, I already destroyed like 2-3 other pieces of equipment, but this really works all the time. I mean, everything it's getting wrong with that, but not engine. In the other machines is the other way around. The power switch is broken, the chuck is loose, the how we call it, the impact in this drill was broken the first day I started to use it. It basically switches off by itself, but otherwise the engine works fine, and it's really strong. It will definitely withstand the tension on the blades. I connected the wires to the existing wiring, so I can use the a handle switch and use it basically as a regular cutter. So let's try to install it and give it a try. Okay, let's not forget the safety first, and it's ready to go. Well, as you can see, this part didn't really help. I need to do something about that. Okay, so solution that I came up just for now is this. I added a cup of paint, and it's it's attached on the duct tape to the shaft, so the to the casing, so it doesn't move, it doesn't spin, and it seems to work. I'm not gonna cut it now because the problem with this nasty stuff is that yesterday we had a lot of rain. It was raining all day long, so this is the reason why it's so sticky, the grass. And but anyway, even with this degree of stickiness, this seems to work. I will show you right now, and it doesn't grip to the shaft, so most probably later I'm gonna to make it more stable. Right now this is a project, it's a completely the first prototype. When it will work I will make it more stable and so on. As you can see, it's a winner. Now I need to make it to the scale, paint it and put into a cardboard box and put a price lap on it. Yeah. More videos coming soon.